So just a little tutorial now to remove your rear bumper on your 1 Series BMW. Tools needed is a little extension 8mm. You can use a little quarter drive ratchet if you wish. I've got a couple of trim tools, I don't really need one. 10mm on the extension bar just in case we need to take the rear lights out. A long Torx 20, and I'm using this instead of a quarter drive ratchet. So first off you need to, I don't know if you're going to be able to see these, but we'll try. Sorry about the flickering, it's my LED light. There's 3 8mm down the side here. One at the bottom just here, one here, one up here, and there's a Torx 20 that runs up here. So we'll remove them first. And then what you want to do is pull back the wing liner. And then you need to use your Torx 20 to undo the little Torx screw up in the corner here. So once you remove this little Torx 20, you just want to give the bumper a nice little pull and it'll pop out. Then there is a couple of clips under here which the bumper should fall off out of. There we go, and then just repeat the other side and the bumper will be off. So once you've unscrewed it all, it should be nice and loose now. All we've got is 2 plugs here, and if you've got parking sensors, there'll be either a plug on the left side or right side. Sometimes they're in the middle, so it's sometimes better to have 2 people to help you remove them. But if you're doing it at home, probably do it on the grass so you don't damage your bumper or anything. There we go. Hope this little tutorial helped you out. If it did, please give us a little thumbs up and a comment. Thank you very much.